Hello friends, Swamsing here. Today we are learning how to create a link in HTML file to attach the CSS and JavaScript file. So we have to put HTML format, doc type, HTML, and HTML. We have to close the HTML tag. And in the HTML tag, we have to create a head section. Close the head section. As we can see, there is text.html, which is HTML file, style.css, second one is CSS file, and jv.js. This is JavaScript file. In JavaScript file, we save the file by .js, and in CSS file, we save the CSS file .css, and the HTML file we can save the file by html.html. So we can create the link to attach the CSS file. We can write link and type each CSS. So we have to write in text slash CSS because CSS coding is in text form. So we have to write text slash CSS. And as we know, CSS coding is related to style. If you want to create styling in our text format, then we have to use CSS. So we have to relate it by style sheet. And third one is href. By href, we have to create the address to get the CSS file. So as we can see, CSS file name is style.css. So we have to write style.css. So as we can see, this is the complete link to get the CSS properties from CSS file. And second one is JavaScript file. So we have to write the link for the JavaScript file. We write script and type of JavaScript file is text and slash JavaScript, and we have to provide the source to get on this JavaScript file. Source is jv.js, as we can see here. The name of the file is jv.js, so we can write jv.js, and we have to close the script tag. So there is closing of the script tag. So this is the complete link to get on the JavaScript file. We have to check either it is working or not. So in the JavaScript file, we can write variable. We can create x variable which is equal to 5, and second variable which is we are assuming 11, and we have to add by the third variable. We are writing variable z is equal to x plus y, and in the JavaScript file we can get the element or JavaScript properties in the HTML file by the writing document dot get element by id, and we have to create the id. Let's assume id is demo. Okay, and dot inner html equal to z. Z is that variable. So as we can see, there is we are created the id, that is demo. So by the use of demo id we can access the JavaScript file, the HTML file. So we can create the paragraph, and we have to use the id which is created in the JavaScript file, which is demo. So we are writing demo, and we have to close the paragraph. So after that we have to save all this coding, save, and we have to run this coding on the browser. So this is file which is created here in the desktop website. This inner HTML. Refresh 16. So we can see 5 plus 11 equal to 16, as we can see on the browser. So the linking of the JavaScript file is working perfectly. If you want to check the CSS linking, then we have to create body tag. We have to close the body tag, and in the body tag we have to create div. Yes, div, and provide the class in the div tag. Let's assume the class is hey. We close the div tag. In the div tag, if you are writing any number like 23, and after that we put the styling in the CSS file. So as we can see, the class is hey, and in the CSS file the class is defined by the dot. So by the dot we have to write the class hey, and we provide the style and font size is 30 pixel, text align center. Okay, and save this coding. And also the HTML coding, you have to save that coding and run on the browser. This is 23. So as we are seeing that all this coding is working, and CSS and JavaScript files are attached in the